Yeah, it's very special. It means a lot to be back here in Fiji again. You know, I've enjoyed my time with the Fiji Draw this season, and as you mentioned, the 2 games in Suva and Tonga. God willing, you know, I'm given the opportunity to represent Fiji as a whole nation in our first game and the games to come. Looking forward to it. You know, my family in Australia, our family here, very proud, and you know, I'm looking to do them proud as well. It's been awesome. It's I mean, you know, they've got the likes of Weiss, Naida Level, Lavani Botea, Joshua Tuisova coming over from Europe. You know, the guys I've watched the last World Cup even most recently, and you know, watching them on highlights on social media. You know, and they're having a great season over there, and it's been an honour to take the training pitch and to join the squad with them. All the boys are excited, especially all us draw boys as well, to rub shoulders with these guys. So, you know, hopefully we can work off each other and have a good campaign. Yeah, that's it. You want to be playing on good form as you enter international tests, especially. You know, performance and preparation is big and is key, and that's, you know, doesn't change when it comes to international. It's probably, you know, obviously a higher level. But with the foundation of that Super Rugby season behind myself and even the boys that are in the squad here from the draw, I think it's only going to help us. So definitely looking to put out you know, performance that we're proud of and performance that our people in Fiji are proud of.